Hello, welcome to third part of the brain, and this one is going to be more detailed because now we will be going into more detail with this one. If I turn it this way, B is going to be the cerebellum, as we all know, and G is going to be the parietal lobe over here. So calling both of them cerebellum is not correct, and they both have different parts and functions for them. Now I'll be moving the parietal lobe, and the cerebellum is gonna stay there. So if I remove this from here, this part right here is gonna be called the temporal lobe. And as we already talked about each axis of them, we don't need to know them right now because I already made a separate video on that. Now this brain separates. You're gonna be left with something like this. For the lowercase a over here, it's gonna be called the pons. This part right here is gonna be called the fourth ventricle. And from inside, this part is going to be known as the cerebrum. And now we are done with this part and these two. Now we are going to concentrate in this part of the brain over here. And now if I open the brain right here on 22, it's going to be this part right here. Over here, it's going to be known as the decushion of pyramid. And on 21 we can see the olive, and this is what we will be left with. So if I open this one more time again, this part over here is going to be called the corpus callosum, and on over here we will have something called the thalamus. And over here we will have something called the anterior horn of lateral ventricle. And over here we're going to have the interventricular foramen. And if I turn it over here, it's going to be the optic tract. And right over here, behind the pituitary gland, we will have something called the mammillary body. And yes, this is pretty much it, and I hope you guys like it. Thank you.